Hello FPL lovers, welcome back to another video on the channel where we will discuss some serious contenders for captaincy this game week. And before we get into the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. So with that being said, let's get started. Finally, international break is going to be over and it's a relief seeing so many players getting injured or COVID. So let's start. Bruno Fernandes earned his third double-digit haul of the season as he played a direct hand in all three United goals in the win over Everton. His 6 shots during the game were second most by any player in game week 8. He has already scored 5 goals and provided 3 assists in the season. He attempted 20 assists and created 3 big chances in this season. Bruno has directly contributed to 5 goals in the last 4 game weeks to earn an average of 8.3 points per game. Only Kane has picked up more FPL points over that spell. He attempted 12 assists and landed 7 shots on target in last 4 game weeks. Man United have scored 7 goals in the last 4 game weeks. Only Chelsea, Southampton and Villa have scored more. Red Devils have taken more shots than any team and only Chelsea have landed more shots on target. Grealish continued his impressive form to set Watkins against Arsenal before the international break to earn 6.3 points per game over the last 4 game weeks. No FPL midfielder has created more big chances than his 4 over last 4 game weeks. No FPL midfielder has landed 11 shots inside the box over the same period. Villa has scored 7 goals over the past 4 game weeks. Only Chelsea, United and Southampton have found the back of the net with more regularity. Villa has landed 40 shots inside the box and created 10 big chances over the last 4 game weeks. Ziyech is in great form for Chelsea as well as for his country. He has scored 1 goal and provided 3 assists over the last 4 game weeks. He created 8 chances in the last game week, which was most by any player in that match. Chelsea have scored 10 goals over the last 4 game weeks. Only Southampton have been more prolific. The Blues have landed more shots on target than any other side in the division. Newcastle have conceded 8 goals in the last 4 game weeks, keeping no clean sheets. No team has allowed more shots than the Newcastle's 74. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do share with your FPL buddies and subscribe the channel for more FPL related videos.